Now this is a Strauss direct vertical lift bridge. It's a Grand Trunk Pacific Railroad vertical lift bridge. It's a direct lift bridge with highway, and it crosses the Fraser River, located at Fort George, British Columbia, Canada. And let me show you. It's a Strauss type. It's a Strauss type vertical lift bridge, raised for boats. Let me show you when it lowers. Yes, Lord. And it's still used for rail traffic and with highway traffic and everything. So it ain't that many of them though, but you got one in Coombe, Washington, between Tacoma, Washington, and everything. It's still in use. Now this one is in British Columbia, Canada. So yes, it crosses the Fraser River.